Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online courses with Simplilearn easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin optimizing your online courses with Simplilearn, sign in to your Simplilearn account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the course you wish to enhance. Click on the Edit Course button to access the course management settings. Review the course outline to ensure it aligns with your learning objectives. Update the course title and description for clarity and engagement. Next, enhance your content by incorporating multimedia elements. Upload high-quality videos that are relevant to your topics. Include interactive quizzes to assess learner understanding throughout the course. Utilize discussion forums to foster a sense of community among students. Review and organize your course materials for easy navigation. Incorporate practical projects to provide hands-on experience for learners. Add supplemental resources such as articles, ebooks, or case studies. Optimize each module by ensuring clear, concise learning outcomes. Gather feedback from previous learners to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your course based on this feedback to increase satisfaction. Promote your course through Simplilearn's marketing tools to reach a wider audience. Lastly, continuously monitor course performance and student engagement. This will help you make informed updates in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.